Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Days for You. Today in this video we are going to be covering how to download Eclipse and how to install the Eclipse and how to run a sample program in Eclipse. Now as usual come to the Google and type Eclipse download and click the first link, that is www.eclipse.org. This is the official website where we can find all the versions of Eclipse, and here you can go to the download packages where you can find all the available packages for Java and other technologies also. And here for mainly for Java, Eclipse is providing two types of versions. One is Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. So Java developer means it will work for only core Java, whereas enterprise Java developer means it will work with core Java along with advanced Java and other advanced tools also. So it depends on your requirement. You can go for either Java or enterprise. So we may have three types of versions for three types of operating systems like Windows, Mac and Linux. So based on your environment, you have to download the respective Eclipse edition. So here I am downloading. So my version is Windows 64-bit. So I am downloading 64-bit version, and now click on the download button, and now it started downloading. Once downloading completed, we have to open the respective folder where it downloaded. So now it is by default downloaded with zip version, so compressed version. So we need to extract it. So right click on that particular file and click on extract all. So if you are not getting that option extract all, so better to download WinRAR or WinZip so that you will get that option. So just click on extract. So now it is getting extracted to separate folder called with the same name. So now we need not install anything from the respective folder. Just you can double click on the icon which is finding as an Eclipse. Now we have to wait for until this extraction completed. Here friends, once downloading completed, we need to extract it, and once extraction completed, open that folder and go to the Eclipse. In this you will find that purple color Eclipse icon. So just double click on that icon. Now it is going to the Eclipse IDE. See here, so it is asking that workspace selection. So that means, what do you mean by workspace means, while we are working on Eclipse, we may do the lot of projects. So where you want to save that all projects in the hard drive, like in the DRE, what is the place you want to save, you have to select it. By default it is taking C drive, but if you want, you can change also. Like see here, browse and go to the somewhere. Let's take, I'm going to selecting the D and Satish. In this I'm creating a new folder. Let's take Eclipse workspace and select this folder. So like that we can change it, and here you may find that checkbox. Use this as a default and do not ask again. Like means, if you not click this checkbox, every time while you are opening the Eclipse, it will ask you the same workspace location and launch. If I check this checkbox, it won't ask you again and again. It will directly open the Eclipse. But I assume that I am going for launch. So now Eclipse IDE editor will open. Yeah, Eclipse open. So first screen is welcome screen. So what is the features of Eclipse is showing there. Just you can close it, is not required. So these are the different types of projects we can create by using Eclipse and Java. So depends on your requirement, we may go for anything. So just close this donate also. So if you want to donate, you can donate it. So here we may have so many options like Maven project, Java WE, dynamic web project. So advanced Java means this is the project, dynamic web project. And core Java means create a project. So like that we can choose that whatever the project you want to do. So here I'm just creating a core Java project. See here, new file, go to the new, and here we have to select project and then Java project. So here I'm writing, let's take example. So we have to select the first of all Java project, double click on the Java project and then give the project name as testing and click on finish. Keep it remaining default. And now it is asking that module name. So by default we don't require module name, so I don't create. So module is a kind of package where it will create internally. So open perspective. So now it just got created testing package, means the project. So in this project you can create n number of core Java classes. So here you may find that src folder. So there you can right click on that and new, and you have to choose the class. You have many options like interface, package. So here I want to show you how to run a sample program. So I choose that class. So let's take, I'm creating hello. By default every class should require public static void main. So he given an option to auto create the public static void main. So just I'm checking this and I'm not checking inherit abstract methods and finish. And now you will get Java class. with basic structure. So now what we require to do means just you can write your business logic what you want implemented here. So here I want to do simply welcome to Java with Eclipse. So this is the very simple editor where you can use Java projects. And now if you want to run this project, so we have two options here. One is regular execution, another one is debug mode. So first if you want to go for execution mode, just click on the run method. So you will find the output in the console bottom of the screen. See here, welcome to Java with Eclipse. So like that we can run the program. Like that you can create n number of classes in the same SRC. Or else if you want to create a new project also, you can go to the file and create a new project also. So it is somewhat easy environment where you can operate the Java projects easily. And also we can run the same program in debug mode also. So debug mode means we can have a breakpoints and we can observe the flow of execution to clearly understand flow and as well as to debug the code. So let us assume that is really the execution pointer is come to here or not, you want to check it. So here you can observe that blue line. Here you can create a breakpoint. So breakpoint is nothing but it will stop the execution and it will wait your developer command to continue. So now I'm going to be running the same program in debug mode. See that once I click on the debug, see here you can find the icon called debug. So now I'm switching to debug mode. So now you can observe, see it's waiting for your continuation. So it is highlighting this line. That means the program executor comes to here and is waiting for you because breakpoint is there. If you want to continue, just you can move for, see here you can observe the button resume or F8 also shortcut. So click on that. So now it is come out of the output. So like that we can also use the debug mode. So both are very important. So debug mode also you have to practice because you can understand the flow of the execution. So this is all about Eclipse installation and sample program in Eclipse. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please give a comment in comment section. And for online or offline classes, please visit our website www.fratelloninnotech.com. For more tutorials, visit our another website www.kennysworld.com. To support us, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications, and please like the video and share the video. Thanks for watching.